Question 13. Which of the following systems of inequalities is best represented by the graph below? Okay, so let's take a look at this line first. Let's call it the blue line. My first step will be to determine the equation of the line in y equals mx plus b format. After that, then we shall worry about the inequality. So, what is the value of b? B is just the y-intercept, which in this case is 3. Because that's where the blue line intersects the y-axis. And what is m, which is the slope of the blue line? Well, let's calculate the rise over the run. Because that's the slope, which is m. So the rise in this case is negative because from left to right, the line is going down. So from 3 down to 0, the rise is negative 3. It's going down by 3 units. And the run is positive 3 because horizontally, we're moving 3 units to the right. So rise of negative 3, run of 3. Negative 3 over 3 simplifies into negative 1. So that is the slope, which is just the value of m. So we have y equals negative 1x plus 3. B is 3. So I can just rewrite this as negative x plus 3, and that's it. I don't need to write the 1. Okay, now let's leave this equation for a second, and let's find the equation of this line. Okay, let's use the same strategy. Let's find the y-intercept and the slope. The y-intercept is just negative 1. I hope you can see that clearly. I made it a little messy by essentially painting this line red, coloring it red. So that's negative 1 right here. And okay, we have to find the slope also, which is m, right? We don't know what it actually is at this moment, so let's look at the rise over the run. So what is the rise in this case? We're going from negative 1 all the way up to 5 vertically, right? So from negative 1 to 5, we're moving up by 6 units, so that is the rise. What about the run? Well, we're moving over, again actually, by 3 units, because we're going from 0, right here, right? The y-axis, all the way over to 3. 6 over 3, 2. So the slope is 2. Rise over run. Okay, now, so we have y is equal to 2x plus negative 1, right? And plus negative 1 makes minus 1. Okay, but now we need to actually concern ourselves with the shaded area, because we are talking about an inequality. So, okay, we have this shaded area right here, which is below the blue line. And since it's below the blue line, we can say that y is smaller or equal to negative x plus 3. This is getting a little messy today. Y is smaller or equal to negative x plus 3. But the shaded area is also above, it's over the red line. Since it's over it, we can say y is greater or equal to 2x minus 1. If the shaded area was below the red line, we would have gone the other way. We would have said y is smaller or equal to 2x minus 1. Remember that the alligator, because this looks like an alligator, right? Always eats the big one, or faces the bigger one. silly way to remember it, but so y is greater or equal to 2x minus 1. So what is the answer? Well, we have y is greater or equal to 2x minus 1, and y is smaller or equal to negative x plus 3. So in this case, the answer is A.